Becoming a millionaire is not just about luck. It often involves disciplined focus, strategic planning, and a commitment to long-term financial success. Here are 10 key areas that millionaires typically concentrate on as they build their wealth, offering both information and inspiration for those aspiring to achieve financial abundance. Financial literacy. Millionaires invest time in understanding money matters. They educate themselves about budgeting, investing, and managing debt, ensuring they make informed financial decisions. Goal setting. Setting clear and achievable financial goals is crucial. Millionaires create specific, measurable, and time-bound objectives to guide their wealth-building efforts. Smart saving. Millionaires save diligently and consistently. They prioritize saving a portion of their income, whether it's through retirement accounts, emergency funds, or other investments. Investing wisely. Millionaires understand the power of investments. They seek opportunities in stocks, real estate, or businesses, allowing their money to grow over time through compound interest. Continuous learning. The pursuit of knowledge is unending for millionaires. They stay updated on market trends, investment strategies, and financial opportunities. Entrepreneurship. Many millionaires explore entrepreneurial endeavors. They identify gaps in the market, take calculated risks, and build businesses that contribute to their wealth. Resilience. Facing setbacks and failures is part of the journey. Millionaires stay resilient, learning from their mistakes and using them as stepping stones toward future success. Networking. Building a strong network is essential. Millionaires connect with mentors, peers, and like-minded individuals who can offer guidance, support, and valuable opportunities. Diverse income streams. Relying on a single income source is risky. Millionaires diversify their income streams through investments, side businesses, or real estate to create financial stability. Giving back. Millionaires often believe in giving back to their communities or supporting causes they care about. They understand the value of philanthropy and making a positive impact. These 10 focus areas reflect the mindset and strategies that have helped many individuals achieve millionaire status. While the journey to wealth is challenging, it is also achievable through dedication, continuous learning, and a commitment to financial success. Embrace these principles, adapt them to your unique circumstances, and work towards your own path to financial abundance. If you found value, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, as well as check out the free resource in the description. Thanks again for joining us on the journey to high value.